Hi guys, this is a little lesson about Polish alphabet. We're not going to talk about every letter, because most of them are the same as English, for example. But remember that Polish alphabet doesn't have some letters like Q, V and X. There are some special ones, so let's start it. O. Nasal O as own. Ch sounds like cheese. L. It is nasal E. L sounds like English W, like wow. N. It is just soft N, like canyon. U sounds like a word food. Sh sounds like she. J and Ż sounds like pleasure. There are digraphs in Polish language. C and H sounds like H. C and Z sounds like Ch. D and Z sounds like Z. D and J sounds like J. And D and Ż sounds like J. R plus Z has two different sounds, Ż and Sh. Depends on different situation. C and Z sounds like Sh. C and I sounds like Chi. S and I sounds like she. Z and I sounds like J. Thank you for watching, guys.